You know, just before I heard this weird sound, and I just heard it again. Earlier today, we saw a friggin' drone flying over our house. I hear it again. It sounds like this. I keep hearing it. I just heard it again. It's coming from the woods. I hear it. It's in the woods. There's something in the effing woods that is making a weird sound. You could hear it. It's so slight, but you could hear it. I can hear it. I hear it. It sounds like this. Did you just hear it? Did you hear it? I'm trying to make the sound to like communicate. You think I'm a psycho, right? But I'm hearing some weird shit. There was a drone that flew over our house before. I'm telling you, there's some weird shit going on, man. Friggin' aliens or some crazy shit. It's freaking scaring the shit out of me. I'm going back home. That's what it sounds like. It sounds like this. I think I scared it away. That thing's probably more scared of me than I was of it. I'm out of here.